Hey Python programmers, so in this video I'm going to explain about how we can write a program to swap two numbers without using third variable in Python. So we know a simple method by using third variable we can easily swap the two numbers. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain you about how you can swap two numbers without using third variable. So one simple method, or I can say one simple functionality in Python, we can just say n1 comma n2 is equal to n2 comma n1, and that will swap our variables easily. So if I'll say print n1 comma n2, and also I want to print n1 comma n2 before our operations. So let's print the numbers. So as you can see, we have successfully swapped two numbers. This is the simple method, right? This is the inbuilt functionality of Python. Let's swap these numbers with another method. So let me remove this line. Okay, now let's swap this with another method. So what we can do, don't worry, I'll explain the logic later. So what we can do, I can just say n1 is equal to n1 plus n2. So we are just adding two numbers. So n1 plus n2 we are adding to n1. Okay, now then we will just subtract n2 from n1. So I'll say n1 minus n2. Okay, and then what we can do, I can say n1 is equal to n1 minus n1 minus n2. Okay, so this is the simple thing. Now just a second. As you can see, we got successfully we have successfully swapped two numbers. So the simple logic, let's debug this. So what we are doing actually, we are in n1 we are actually storing the two sum of two numbers. So let's say 35 plus 12, which is 47. Okay, then what we are doing, we are just comment in Python is we need to write this, right? Okay, then what we are doing in n2, we are just subtracting n2 from n1. So that will be 47 minus 35, so that will be 12. Okay, and then in a final step, what we are doing, we are subtracting n2 from n1. Okay, so we are just subtracting that, so that will be n1 is equal to 35. So this is the simple logic behind this functionality. Okay, so that's what about this. Thank you guys. If you like the video, then please do subscribe the channel, and I'll come up with the more programs in Python like this for your interview. Thank you, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.